Meet Max here. I know it's been a while since I made a video, but I was feeling like it, so here I am. I'm here at New York Butcher Shop. It's an amazing place. You usually come here all the time. They have brilliant meats. Today, I'm just getting a boneless ribeye, and it's Wagyu, so like really good Japanese meat, but it's Australian, but still good. They have a wide section of meats here, and it's all really, really good. I recommend you guys try it out. Now, let's make it. Alright, we're back from the New York Butcher Shop, and I'm sorry if you couldn't hear me in there. It was really loud, but they had a bunch of good steak. We got a Wagyu ribeye here. It's very good meat. It's like the top of the line. Wagyu is pretty much just the like beluga caviar of steak. It's just the fanciest. So with that, we're gonna be basting it with a Black Truffle Butter Sauce infused with rosemary and garlic. Alright, let's start it. Because this is such a delicate piece of steak, I'm just going to be seasoning with salt to not like mess up the flavor or anything. As I said, this is just like a very expensive steak. It's over $70 a pound. We got it on sale though, so it should be good. But it's still going to need some seasoning. I'm going to be seasoning it quite well. The fat melts when I touch it because that's how fatty it is. So I'm just going to be using tongs to touch it. Because see, it's already falling apart. And that's not very good. To cook these steaks today, I'm going to use a cast iron pan because it like gets to a really high heat and it sustains that heat. And I'm also going to use avocado oil because it has a high smoke point and it doesn't impart lots of flavor like olive oil would. So I'm just going to use this to make it sure I get a nice crust. The pan's nice and hot now and it's smoking, kind of. You probably can't see it on the camera, so I'm just going to add the oil in. The pan is up to heat and it's been oiled, so let's put the steak in. Oop, it's falling apart on me. That's a good sizzle. Very good. I cooked it on this first side about 3 minutes, so right now I'm just going to flip it. That is beautiful. Come closer, come closer. That is beautiful. That does not so good. This side is getting close to 3 minutes, so I lowered the temperature, and now I'm just going to flip it one last time. And now it's time to bake. Gonna rip open this butter and put maybe half of it just to start with, maybe a bit more, depending on what it'll be. Then just make sure the garlic is pressed. Boom, rosemary, boom. Now, handkerchief. Have it all come down, and then you just bake it like that. Now I'm just searing the fat cap again to make that nice and crispy. And it's a little too cold. Bring that up. This steak is already going to be amazing. I just love it. Alright, I'm feeling like it's good, so I'm gonna pull it out. I have a board on this already, so when it cross-contaminates when I take it out. And that looks amazing. That looks like one of the best steaks I've ever made. I'm gonna put the garlic all over it and like rosemary all over it. This steak is actually outrageous. The garlic and the rosemary together just brings the fattiness of it all to a close and just makes it so perfect, and it cuts out the richness along with the mashed potatoes. It's just phenomenal. I would recommend you giving Wagyu a try if you would cook it like me, of course. Alright, bye, smash the like button, subscribe, meet Max.